Hi, Noeli. This is my friend. What's your name? Sandro. Sandra. Please look at my video. It's my video. Later on, let's look at this. Can you look at it? Can I tell you now? I need something to eat. Na? Hey, hello, Coach Manny. Hello, sir. This is like a video. Look at this video. Cute. And don't forget to upload on Facebook and YouTube. Ngayon, yung man ako eh.
Hindi ka na ba bata?
Hindi, no? Sabi ng daddy ko eh, yung man ako eh. Dati, bata, saka teen. Ngayon, yan man na ako eh. 18 na ako sa last year. 19 na ako na yun eh. Next year, maging 20 na ako. Diyan na lang ako sa BF Clubhouse eh. Coach Noeli, bye-bye. Hannah! Bye, Hannah! Okay. Look at the video. Get down.
Sandra.
Sandra, very good.
Baka mabasa yung phone mo, ha?
Opo. Hindi, sa paakyat na lang ko na. Dito sa shower. Over here, Sir John. Yeah. Interview it.
Sa taas ka, bantayan mo kami.
Opo. And there's Sandra and Coach Noeli. They are here and taking a toilet, right? Wow. Come on, Sandra. Don't forget, Coach JP is getting angry. Tiana. Coach, excuse me. I saw him the video. Miguel ka ha. Galit sa akin ng parents ko. Galit sa akin ng kambal ko ah. Okay, coach, na need the instruction. So look at the instruction. Watch the video. Home video. Oh, there. She said right for God's prayer. There. Very good. Ay, ako nang bahala sa kanya. Ah. Diana. Diana. There's a video screening. Hello. And just look at that, like this. Just concentrate, like that. And look at that. Oh my gosh. Just let her kick like that. Look at that. Diana. Me? Oh, Coach, itong kompletong video to ah. Coach.
Watch home video. Tumatak ng una. Ganun lang. So, sayang yung ganito kahaba.
Eh,
So, number 2, napakabigat
excuse me.
pinipwersa mo yung kulay.
Kita Kati. From the year. Yes, it's the best.
Ganito gagawin natin. May program tayo. Ready lang.
Oo, baka madalang.
Magpa 5 bubbles ka. Every lap, you make 5 bubbles. So, ganito lang mo sarili mo. Pag okay na, go ka mag-isa. So, gagawin kasi natin doon. Tignan mo kung magkaka-glide ka agad sa first grade. Basta,